This lioness adopted a baby antelope. In Kenya's Samburu National Reserve, a lioness named Kamunyak did something unbelievable. She adopted a baby oryx, a species she would normally hunt. For over 2 weeks, she protected the calf like her own, guarding it from predators and even letting it reunite with its mother to nurse. During this time, Kamunyak didn't hunt at all, putting her own survival at risk just to care for the baby. But sadly, this story has a bittersweet ending. A male lion attacked and killed the calf, leaving Kamunyak devastated. Witnesses say she roared in distress and wandered the savannah alone. Amazingly, this wasn't the only time. Kamunyak was later seen adopting more oryx calves, repeating her rare and compassionate behavior.